Only 6 ingredients stand between you and the best comfort food recipe you will make all season. Hi, I'm Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I'm making one of the most popular recipes on my site and also one of the easiest, ranch baked chicken with bacon. If you follow my site, you might have already seen my creamy Caesar baked chicken. This is the same idea and we love it just as much. This one just uses ranch instead of Caesar dressing and has bacon crumbles. So what can go wrong? This is an incredibly easy recipe that only calls for 6 ingredients. Super simple, all the flavor. Let's get started. We're just gonna start by seasoning chicken breasts with salt and pepper as well as Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper is extremely important in a recipe this simple because it's really gonna season the chicken and make sure that every bite is delicious. You can pat down slightly to make sure that the Parmesan, salt, and pepper all adhere to each chicken breast. And just do the same with the other side, and then place in your pan. Once the chicken is in the pan and seasoned on both sides, we're gonna make the sauce. The sauce is as simple as mixing together your favorite ranch dressing with sour cream. You can use light sour cream, but I kind of think at this point this recipe is not healthy anyway, so go for the indulgent cream. On this recipe, as well as the creamy Caesar chicken, everyone's asking my favorite dressing. I do have a homemade ranch dressing on the Cookie Rookie, which is amazing. That's what I recommend using, but I'll also link to some of my favorite store-boughts. If you have a favorite, feel free to use whichever one is best. I do like a creamy ranch in this though. You want the sauce to be as creamy as possible to really coat that chicken and make sure that everything bakes up nice and moist. Once your sauce is done, we're just gonna pour over the chicken breast and we're ready to bake. The key with this part of the recipe is you want the ranch sour cream mixture to coat all of the chicken evenly. Coating the chicken this way where none of it is exposed to the heat directly is going to make sure that the chicken breast stays incredibly tender. People comment all the time that this is one of their favorite recipes because the chicken just is foolproof. You are going to make the most amazing tender and moist chicken with this recipe. Last step in this part of the recipe is just to sprinkle with more Parmesan cheese, and then we're gonna pop in the oven. While it bakes, we're gonna make our bacon crumbles. So as the chicken cooks, we're gonna make our bacon crumbles. I'm a big believer in easy recipes, but one thing I never skip is making the actual bacon crumbles, not buying bacon bits or pre-made bacon crumbles. One easy way to do this is using frozen bacon, and we're just gonna chop into strips. We're just gonna put these frozen bacon strips directly in the cold pan on their side, and then turn the heat to medium-high. You don't need any oil because the bacon has plenty of fat on its own. As the bacon begins to get hot, you can start breaking it apart into those little bacon crumbles. These crumbles are good to go and really crispy, so I'm gonna let them drain on a paper towel while our chicken continues to cook, and then we are ready to eat. I like really crispy bacon crumbles. Okay, once the chicken was done baking, we switched the oven to broil and let it cook for about 4 minutes until this nice golden crust from the Parmesan appeared on the chicken breast. This is gonna be so delicious. Ranch, sour cream, and bacon. What more do you need in life? Just sprinkle with your bacon crumbles and serve. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for the full details.